Hello friends, welcome back to Culture Mundo. My name is Joanna. We explore different aspects of culture, travel, and the beauty of the world. After spending an awesome day in Ainsa, we decided to explore the natural wilderness of the Aragonese Pyrenees. We concentrated mostly on the deep gorges of the Sieste River. Come with us and explore this beautiful region, which is a perfect destination for hikers and nature lovers. Our first stop was at the restaurant Febas de Patrick. We stopped to admire the outstanding surroundings and do a little bit of nature photography. Then we came to the Mirador Canon de Anisclo. The towering mountainscapes, its jagged cliffs, its surroundings, and its views were incredibly beautiful. It is impossible not to be humbled by the beauty of nature's creation. As we explored further, we arrived to the bottom of the deep gorge and we stumbled upon a hidden gem, a beautiful waterfall. Also found towering rock walls and enormous boulders in a wild and an untouched environment. Isn't this beautiful? We also discovered huge caves which had been formed by the erosion of the flowing water. What a privilege to still find a real unspoiled Primarian forest. Up we go. Climbing up back to our car required a last effort before thinking of where to get our well-deserved lunch. You look carefully, otherwise you find yourself on the ground. With the help of my husband's tripod, I managed to walk my way up the steep forest path. Here we come. Here is the drum going up. we've managed.
Smile.
Okay. We also found these wild fruits which looked so attractive. But possibly they are poisonous to eat. We later explored the river Sieste, but the river was unusually dry. And at this point, we decided to cross to the other side to have a look of the river valley. And here I sat down to enjoy the breathtaking views of the Canon de Anisclo. In spite of the breathtaking beauty, it was obvious of the persistent drought that has taken its toll on the river. Climate change is a real pressing issue, as every time it's becoming harder and harder for these rivers to maintain its beauty and vitality. It's disheartening to see the once thriving river water has nearly run dry. This is truly an eye-opening and serves as a reminder of the urgency to address climate change. Even though there wasn't much water in the river, we decided to make the best of our day. The quiet and the calmness of the area made us feel really relaxed. A reminder that even in challenging times, beauty can still be found. Exploring the beautiful wilderness of the Sieste River made us pretty hungry, and we decided it was high time to find a restaurant and get some traditional Aragonese food. We came to Buerba, a village tucked away in the stunning Pyrenees Mountains, with beautiful surroundings and traditional stone houses. And at this village, we found this restaurant with amazing medieval look called Casa Lisa. We decided to try it out. A restaurant that takes pride in preparing traditional Aragonese dishes passed down through generations. If you happen to pass nearby, don't forget to stop at this restaurant. You will not be disappointed. As the day came to a close, we made our way back to Ainsa. It was truly a beautiful day. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed yourselves just as we did. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and see our latest explorations. Join us as we continue to discover the wonders of our planet Earth. We hope to see you soon in the next video.